Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex of a parabola. Our equation is y equals x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now let's talk about what these things are. The vertex is, if for a parabola, it's either its lowest point or its highest point, depending on where it opens up, if it's opening up or down. There's a formula for finding the vertex that we'll go over in a second. At the vertex, there is an equation, and x equals some number in which we will have symmetrical properties in our parabola. So a point that's over here is going to be so far away from our axis of symmetry, and it will also be that a point will mirror it on the other side that is that far away as well. And so the axis of symmetry is great for finding points in order to graph these parabolas. Now let's talk about how we find the vertex. So in order to find the vertex, we're going to think of this in its standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And the vertex, the formula for the vertex is negative b over 2a comma f of negative b over 2a. This represents the point of that vertex. So it's either here or wherever it is for the actual parabola, but the low point or the high point. So what I'm going to do is calculate what negative b over 2a is. That'll give me negative 10 over 2 times 1. In other words, this is going to be 5, negative 5. So my x value here of the vertex is negative 5. That means that my axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative 5. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is always your axis of symmetry. It's that vertical line. Next, what we're going to do is figure out the y-coordinate. So I'm going to take this negative 5 and I'm going to plug it into my equation. Negative 5 quantity squared plus 10 times negative 5, 10 times negative 5 plus 25. This gives me 25 squared, not 25 squared, 25, we already squared it, minus 50 plus 25. Well, I do these, I get negative 25 plus 25, that gives me 0. So take these 2 points, and I have negative 5 comma 0 as my vertex. And that's how we find the vertex and the axis of symmetry of a parabola.